Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Flights and entering where you're leaving from and where you're going. Once done, pick travel dates and the trip type, round trip, one-way, or multi-city, because that changes available fares. Make sure passenger count and cabin class are accurate. This affects price and seat availability. If you care about flexibility, toggle flexible dates to see the lowest fares around your chosen days. Save or track the search by signing in so you can return to price history later. Next, refine results with filters. Choose nonstop or specific stop limits, preferred airlines, departure times, and maximum duration to remove bad options quickly. Once filtered, examine the price graph and date grid to identify cheaper days nearby. This is how you save meaningful money. Click a promising itinerary to view fare details, baggage fees, and cancellation rules so you understand total cost versus ticket price. Make your selection by balancing price, schedule, and the carrier's reliability. Then click through to book. After choosing your flight, fill passenger names, birth dates, and frequent flyer numbers exactly as on documents so check-in goes smoothly. Add seat assignments and baggage if required. These often change the total. Review the final price and fare rules, then enter payment details and billing address to complete the purchase. Once confirmed, save the confirmation number and download the receipt. If something goes wrong, payment declined or price changed, try incognito browsing, a different card, or contact the airline directly as a fast troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.